Our big story, consider this case. Almost every buyer in a housing project has paid 95% of the flat's cost to the developer today. The project looks almost ready and you are being promised possession since the last 2 years. But the wait is only getting longer and the communication from the builder only shorter. What is really going on and why is this playing out the most in Noida? The Property Show investigates. If you've booked a home in Noida, has it been more than a year that your project is ready, but you're not getting possession? Is your developer delaying handover with the excuse that the Noida authority is not issuing occupation certificates? Well, it turns out there is more than meets the eye. This project, Shubhkamna Tech Homes in Noida's Sector 137, was launched in 2009. It's 2016 now, and flat buyers are still making the rounds of the construction site in wait of their home to be delivered.
Market info says that the total liability, which includes the Noida authority dues and the contractor dues and the loan these people they have taken from bank, is close to around 300 crores. The buyers have paid almost 95% of the money. आप देख सकते हैं वहाँ पे contractors की सारी line लगी होती है. They come every day to their office and they have उन्होंने अभी तक पैसा भी नहीं दिया contractors का.
This developer owes some 80 crores in land dues to the Noida authority, and unless it clears its debt, the authority won't issue it occupation certificates for allottees to move in. And then we also met Amit Chauhan. He was like the many harrowed home buyers of Noida who was invested in a delayed project. Having learned the hard way, he has since taken to blogging about consumer issues to help buyers in Noida.
There is a project in Sector 110. If we talk about that, the land cost was somewhere around 273 crores. And the developer paid only initial premium of 10 crores and then few installments. So if you calculate the interest at 14% that Noida authority claims that they would recover from the developers, and the land payment for every project, it would be above 100 crores. And there are about 130 group housing projects going on in Noida right now. So you would see the magnitude of the problem.
Apparently, this is the case with 80% of Noida's developers, that include the big branded real estate companies and the newbies. So we went to the authority office in Noida for more clarity. Even as officers were forthcoming in sharing that developers of Noida owed them around 30,000 crore rupees in land dues, they were reticent about making a comment on camera on the subject. The Noida authority listed out names like the Wave Group, Omax, Unitech, Sikka Group, Ajnara, the 3C Company, Amrapali and Unnati Fortune Group all have failed to pay their land installments to the authority on time, and so their occupation certificates are withheld. So what does the real estate industry have to say for itself? Land costs have been recovered through apartment sale, then why the delay? The president of CREDAI NCR says issues like land acquisition protests and the Okla Bird Sanctuary episode got many projects off track financially.
सारी जो है इकोनॉमिकल साइकिल जो स्मॉलर डेवलपर थे जिनके पास अल्टरनेटिव सोर्स ऑफ फंड या कैपिटल जनरेट करने का नहीं था, उनको काफ़ी इफेक्ट हुआ कि जब वो काम शुरू भी हुआ तो दोबारा से सब चीज़ों को रिवाइव करके उसके लाना, क्योंकि पहला जो था पहले जो सेल हो चुका है उसको उसी कॉस्ट में देना है, बैंक को दोबारा से जो है कन्विंस करना कि भाई अब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी। रीशेड्यूलमेंट की स्कीम भी अथॉरिटी ने अभी निकाली है कि भाई ड्यू टू द इकोनॉमिकल स्लो डाउन अगर आप पेमेंट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इंटरेस्ट के साथ 25% पैसे जमा कराइए और बाकी को वो रीशेड्यूल जो कर रहे हैं।
Many Noida developers have managed to squeeze out of the defaulters list thanks to the authority's reschedulement scheme. But what if they default again? The authority says it is mindful of the third-party rights of home buyers in this case, and it will not take any harsh step as to cancel licenses of developers. All it's willing to do is just wait and slap penalties on defaulters. With camera person AJ Joseph, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.